What is going on, guys? It's Toby here. I'm here with Mike at Uniclutch. So we're at SEMA, and this is the brand new clutch that's going to be going into my 2020 Ford Mustang.
Hey, I'm Mike from Uniclutch, and we're here with Toby, all the way from Port Charlotte, Florida. We're looking forward to working with Toby on his 900 horsepower Mustang, does some drag racing with our brand new Uniclutch track product.
Now, this is actually the world's first modular clutch, and Mike here is going to explain exactly what that means.
I want to really explain what makes this a modular clutch. So we have 31 different splines that we can use. So depending on your input shaft of your transmission, you can pick the correct spline. All you have to do is you take this and you can watch it go right into the clutch, and now your clutch is set up for whatever transmission you have. It is that easy, guys. We have a clutch for whatever you drive.
Now, you guys know that my Mustang is pushing a crazy amount of power. We're going to be making 960 wheel horsepower and over 700 wheel torque with this new centrifugal setup. So I need something that's going to take the power. I think I'm going to be going with the track setup. It's an all billet construction and it has twin ceramic discs. So we just took the clutch off to explain the wheel torque capacity rating, and Mike's going to explain it.
So this is our track clutch. This unit here is going to hold 1,300 foot-pounds of torque in a standard twin disc capacity. It has a vented intermediate plate to help dissipate the heat. This clutch consists of 4 separate patents to make this work the way it does. It's Australian billet steel, finest manufacturing in the world. One of the reasons we're really super excited to work with Toby is he builds some bad cars, right? Toby's car right now is about 800-900 horsepower to the tires. This clutch is going to deal with it all day long. When Toby's ready to step up to a serious clutch, we're going to have a quad plate that's going to handle 2,500 foot-pounds of torque. So when you're ready to do that, Toby, we want to work with you.
I want all the horsepower, so let's do it.
All the horsepowers.
And let's say you have an M2 and you don't want to make all that crazy power, you've got other options here, and Mike's going to explain them.
So what we have here is we have our base Uniclutch. In a 10-inch model, it's going to handle 650 foot-pounds of torque, and it's going to give you the same type of feel in the pedal that your factory clutch has. All the torque capacity, none of the heavy pedal feel. You need a little bit more. Say you've got a C5, you've got a 150 shot of nitrous on it. You want a sport clutch. Again, you want to be able to drive the car every day to work. You're going to look at the Uniclutch Sport that'll handle up to 800 foot-pounds of torque, and it's going to feel just like driving a stock clutch. Hey guys, all these clutches are going to be available at Napa in the US in 36 distribution centers and over 6,000 stores. We partnered with Napa because they've got the best distribution in the country, and they're going to be able to warranty this product for 5 years or 40,000 miles. Go visit your local Napa, see Uniclutch, visit this guy's page, follow his build and his big horsepower car, and let's sell some clutches.
Yes, sir.